Morning everyone, I hope you guys are all doing well and everyone is happy, staying positive and staying sane. I'm doing much better now after a sweaty workout this morning of exercise and then a nice cold shower to freshen me up, feel awake. It's been a good start to the morning. Today's video should be a nice, fun, chilled out one, mainly for you guys because I'm sure this video will make you laugh because we are going to be doing a Momo eating challenge. I need a day like this where you know, we can just have a laugh, have a bit of fun. So I thought I'd record it and show you guys. So a bit later on, we're gonna go out, buy the ingredients, some chicken, some buff, some vegetables, whatever ingredients you need to make momos. We're gonna make a load of momos, God knows how many, maybe like 100 momos, and then do the Momo eating challenge later on this afternoon. Not good, guys, not good. I've just got online and I'm currently looking at treks that I want to do in Nepal. Look at this. Rara Lake, I want to go to the Manaslu circuit, Dolpo, Upper Mustang I really want to go to, the Annapurna circuit. So looking at all of this is making me feel sad that I can't go and do it. I just watched a video on trekking in Mustang. It looks unbelievable, very like desert-like. So I would absolutely love to go there at some point in the future. Okay, so right now we've just picked up the vegetables. The chicken is getting grinded behind me, and apparently this is enough ingredients to cook 100 chicken momos, but somehow I don't believe Santos. Okay, these are the ingredients we've got. 2 kilograms of chicken.
Yeah, 2 kilograms of chicken keema we have here, amazing. And 1 kilo of tomato and momo masala.
Momo masala, I didn't even realize there was an actual Momo masala for the own spice. Some flour.
And 2 kilo of flour, white flour, and with our
onions and coriander.
We have coriander here, lots of fresh coriander, and onion, and some
salt. What is this?
No, it's not the salt. It's a tasting powder.
But what is tasting powder?
Ajinomoto, we call like
sodium.
Yes, it's not good for the health, but
let's see.
A little bit. We're gonna mix it, like not that much.
This was not my idea, by the way. This was Santos' idea for this video. So make sure that you go check out his channel after. It's been an emotional few days, but now with these onions, it's about to get even more emotional. Maybe a few tears are going to start coming out.
But you know how to cut the onion, like really small pieces.
We have to cut it smooth.
Yeah, like this, like this.
Otherwise, it doesn't cook.
Yeah, like
it's brost or momo. Starting to go. Why do you have to push it down like this to get rid of all the air?
Make it more moist.
More moist. Whoa! Santos doesn't like the way I cut the onions, so now he's going to recut them after all these tears. Once I make momos, then I am a full Nepali. I just need citizenship. Like any good chef, you must clean as you go, as Gordon Ramsay once taught me. So the rains have just started to open, as they usually do around this time. Just waiting for them to re-slice and recut my onions. The dough is being gently massaged, and then we shall start to cook.
Hey Momo!
Momo Challenge 2020.
I'm taking a drone shot. No.
Wow, good.
Oh, not good.
See, this part is like more.
I like my momos thick. Oh shit.
Wow. No!
Oh god.
Please, God, no, please.
Is this gonna work or not?
It's gonna work.
Oh yes. Wow. Now I am a Momo chef. It's working. Finish. This is my first Momo. That is not good. Oh man. We need to do this again, huh? This is my second Momo attempt. The first one didn't go well. And I don't think this one will either.
This, first this,
Yeah?
and then push this hand and make it this again. Same way, and then same thing again.
The chicken just comes out.
Slow motion. Just push chicken this hand, like you have to push the chicken by
Oh
this.
shit.
And again like this,
Oh
same
my
thing again.
God.
Same.
Oh,
Same.
oh, it's working.
Yes, it works. The good teacher.
This is my first Momo or second Momo.
This is my.
Not the best. So, as you can see, we all have 15 chicken vegetable
15,
momos
15.
and the sauce. So whoever finishes it the fastest wins. Ricardo, you count down.
Yeah.
Okay? Wait.
Vegetable or chicken.
Vegetable chicken. Okay. Put in the comments who you think is going to win first. I think maybe this guy. Okay?
I don't know.
Ricardo.
Let's
count
try.
down. Đây mà đó. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
This is dangerous.
जेडी में आते तो रहे.
Oh my god. How many seconds?
Yeah. अनि हार्नेलाई के गर्ने के भयो नि?
Oh. These are big moments.
Yeah.
One. Fucking hell, Saxon's gonna win.
No, this one.
Really?
No, the skinny, he's cheating. He must be cheating. Look. No. Where are all your momos?
The cat.
No. You finished all of them. No. You finished? Your sauce is not finished.
Now I'm gonna enjoy it.
You win.
A few moments later.
तर मीठा त एकदम मीठो भयो Tastes really
Finished.
good. Yeah,
Second last.
you are the winner, brother.
Thank you.
You are the winner.
Hey guys, so it's actually the day after the Momo challenge. I completely forgot to sign off and end the video. As you can see, I didn't win. I didn't do very well, but it was good fun anyway. The momos tasted absolutely delicious, and I'm so surprised as well at how easy they are to actually make. Even though it took about 3 hours of making the dough, getting all the ingredients, it was still good fun and yeah, a good enjoyable challenge. So I just wanted to end this video by saying something to you guys, which is basically thank you, because this week has been a big struggle for me mentally. I haven't felt my usual friendly, confident self, to be honest with you, just because of the lockdown. It keeps getting, you know, extended, and I just haven't felt 100% myself, I guess I could say. However, yesterday I released my video of me farming with Krishna, which has gone down amazingly well, which I'm so happy about. I never expected the response from that video which it's had, but I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you. Because of your kind messages, your comments, and all your nice words, you have inspired me again. You've made me feel motivated, and I want to thank you for that, because as I said, this week mentally I've really struggled, but thanks to you guys, you're helping me get through these moments where I question and doubt myself a lot. So a big thank you for that, and much love to all of you. And the last thing to end on a nice happy note is I'm going to be doing a Q&A, questions and answers video for reaching 30,000 subscribers. Currently now I'm on about 26,000, but I'm assuming and I'm hoping that when I release this video, I will be on 30,000 subscribers, and that's all thanks to you. So you can send me questions on Instagram at Will's Whereabouts, or put questions in the comments section below. It can be about whatever you like. Girlfriend. Not girlfriend, I haven't got one. Travel, me personally, my life, Nepal, whatever. I'm not bothered. I'm completely open to any questions. So as I say, send them on Instagram or in the comments below. I will go through them, and once you've seen this video, I will then be able to make a video on them and yeah, answer your questions. So once again, a big thank you to all of you, and as always guys, stay safe, stay positive, and I shall catch you in the next one. Peace.